Welcome to my video about 4 ways to reduce waste without even trying. The first way I want to talk about is wool dryer balls. So these dryer balls, they are to replace your fabric softener sheets. So all you do is just throw them in your dryer and they fluff up your laundry for you, and they're supposed to reduce drying time as well. I bought mine on Amazon, but I'm sure that there are other places you can buy them, like probably health food stores. The other way that I reduce waste is using bar soap. I also use bar shampoo and conditioner. I just started using that recently, and you might have seen my video about that. This reduces waste by not using the bottles that you use for shower gel and shampoo and conditioner. Most people don't recycle them, and even if they do, recycling isn't as good as just not producing it at all. Also, bars last longer than gel. So that's another way that you can reduce your waste. The third way that I want to talk about is paper towels. Paper towels we just throw them away and that's it. But there's a better way to do it, and that's to use cloths. And so I bought these from Menards, but you can probably buy them from Home Depot and everywhere else. We bought a pack of 20 or something for like $5. They were really cheap. So we just have these in our kitchen, and I use them instead of using paper towels, and we just don't have paper towels anymore. We have bought them a couple times, but since we've moved, we use very little paper towels. And even better than buying them is that you can reuse old clothes that are ripped or that you are going to throw away. Good clothes, definitely donate. That's another way to lose waste, a bonus way to lose waste, reduce waste. But ones that are ripped up and you're not going to donate, you can just cut up into sheets like this. This is an old pair of sweatpants. And what was cool about these sweatpants is when I take things out of the microwave, the bowls are hot all the time. So I used to use paper towels, and that was super wasteful for me to just use a paper towel to take something out of the thing, and then I don't know what the paper towel was for, so I just throw it away. So these sweatpants had pockets, and now I can use these. They're like little mitts to take my stuff out of the microwave, which I'm really excited about. The fourth way to reduce waste is something that you've definitely heard before, and that's just using glass water bottles. So you've definitely heard about this before, and everybody still buys a ton of water bottles, and they're everywhere. I go for walks and I see them on the side of the road. They fill up our oceans with plastic. They're just really bad for the environment. So you can just get this, and it's less money. You just refill this from the tap all the time, and you have water. For this one, this is my favorite one. And this little spigot on top, I do have to replace that sometimes. I've had other types, and if you prefer other types, there are definitely options. There's like a flip top option. That didn't work for me because I always liked to put my my water bottle in my purse, and it would just like open up. But there are pull tops, flip tops, this type. So you have a lot of options. Somebody brought up to me that it's hard to do that, like when you go to the beach, and I thought about it, and that's pretty understandable. But there's other ways that you can handle that. So what I suggest is you take your glass water bottle and you bring your cooler and fill it with gallons of water instead of filling it with individual water bottles. And then when you're done, take it home with you. Don't leave it at the beach. Take it home with you and recycle it or reuse it in some way. That will reduce the waste because you're less likely to just drop it on the beach or for it to get knocked over out of a trash can. And because it's just one big bottle instead of many plastic bottles. So those are 4 ways that you can reduce your waste without even trying. Those are things that you don't have to think very hard about. And a lot of them really save money. Like, we're going to spend less money on paper towels. You definitely spend less money on bar soap and bar shampoo and conditioner because they last a lot longer. You don't have to buy fabric softener anymore, or not fabric softener, but fabric softener sheets. You don't have to buy those anymore. A way that you can add some scent to this, because it's obviously not scented, is you can put drops of essential oil, but also you just get the smell from your detergent. Well, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and I hope that I will make some more soon. Okay, bye.